alaikum, good afternoon, good morning, good evening, good night, where you are watching me. I welcome you all. This is Iram, like always. I left the theory behind last moment. At that time, I was speaking about what is to be sales. What is sales? Basically, how do we sell our product? जब हमारे पास कोई भी क्लाइंट आता है, मैंने आपसे कहा कि आपने आपके पास प्रोडक्ट हैं, लेकिन पहले फर्स्ट एंड फॉरमोस्ट थिंग इज यू आर गोइंग टू गिव द लिसनिंग ईयर टू योर क्लाइंट. आपने उसे सुनना है, और सुनने से ज़्यादा सुनना ही सुनना कि उससे उसके ऊपर क्या बीती. बिकॉज हमारे पास जितने भी आ रहे हैं, जो भी लोग आ रहे हैं, हम सब यही एक्सपीरियंस कर रहे हैं कि मोस्ट ऑफ देम हैव एक्सपीरियंस वर्स्ट ऑफ कंसल्टेंसी. उन लोगों के साथ धोखे हुए, उनके साथ स्कैम्स हुए. अब हमने उनको बेस्ट ऑफ द बेस्ट ऑफ पॉसिबल ऑप्शन देनी है. दैट वाज माय opinion to everyone, and that was my suggestion, and that was actually what I used to do and I am doing. I want you all to do to fit into their shoe and experience it. अब हम कब उन्हें सेल्स कॉल्स कर सकते हैं, हम प्रमोशनल कॉल्स कब कर सकते हैं? First and foremost thing is what makes me different and what makes dynamic different is like even for our students we don't have any fixed timing when it comes to IELTS academic, IELTS journal, spoken English or whatever courses we do offer. We ask your feasibility, we ask the client, we ask the students feasibility, whichever time is feasible and suitable for you, we are going to conduct the class at that time, because we believe in your ease, we believe in one student and one teacher. So one thing this is like makes us different, and this is very important. Coming to the point of view of the client, that when should we call the sales for sales, this is also. Now coming to the point of sales calls, this is also very important, that you shouldn't call your client early in the morning because your day has started at 9, because we do a job of 9 till 6, so you have woken up, or they might have gone to their jobs, they might have gone to their business, they might have been sleeping because they're business people or whatever. So you shouldn't call them earlier, you shouldn't call them in the lunchtime, you shouldn't call. So what I prefer and what I suggest my team and what I want everyone to do a practice is like rather calling randomly at different hours, leave a text message, leave a voice note to them that we are calling from this, like if a dynamic institution salesperson is calling you, he is going to say like we are calling from dynamic, and for this purpose we are calling you, we need your ease, kindly call back to us at your ease, or let me know your ease also as we can discuss. Added to it, one more thing what I have witnessed is like sales, I prefer sales calls than meeting people. Meeting people results more favorable and fruitable, because you know what, you can ask, they can ask as much as queries they want, because they have lot of stuff. उसमें वो थोड़ा होमवर्क भी कर आएंगे. ठीक है, जब आप एक कॉल करेंगे उसमें उसकी उनका ज़्यादा होमवर्क भी नहीं होगा और इतनी ज़्यादा वो फ्रूटफुल नहीं होगी. So what I believe in, like try to make the client ease your appointment, and your as accommodate them in the sense that when they are suitable, when their time suits them, and make a appointment with the client accordingly, so as this can result in some fruitful way. Wish you all good luck, keep rocking and keep watching us, keep liking and subscribing us.